So the first outermost ring is known as calyx or sepals. Okay, these are green leaves and protect the flowers when it is in the form of a bird. Okay children, these sepals may either be separated from one another or joined together. Okay, look, these are the green leaves known as sepals and form the first ring of the flower. Now second is corolla, also known as petals. These are the colorful leaves of the flower and form the second ring. Okay, these leaves are colorful and fragmented. Okay, due to this these colorful leaves also attract the insect for the pollination. Okay, and uh, these petals also protect the reproductive parts of the flower which are at the center of the flower. Okay, so these are these petals, colorful leaves. Okay, and form the second ring of the flower. Now third is androecium. Androecium is a male reproductive part of the flower. Okay, and it is also known as stamen. Each stamen consists of long filament. Look here, this is a picture of stamen. It consists a long filament. Okay, and a swollen tip. Okay, it is called anther. Okay, and each anther has pollen grains. Yes, and these pollen grains contains male gametes of the flower. Yes, so this is the male reproductive part of the flower, androecium, or we can say stamen. Now the next is gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. It is also known as pistil or carpels. Children, each pistil consists of three parts. Stigma, this is the topmost part, top swollen tip. Okay, and look, I want to show you. Yes, this is female reproductive part of the flower and it forms the innermost ring of the flower. Okay, yes, and it is located at the center of the flower. This pistil is located at the center of the flower. Okay, the this swollen tip is known as stigma. It is very sticky. Okay, so that pollen can stuck on it. Okay, and secondly, this tube like structure, this thread like structure is known as style. Okay, and this style, this tube like structure can connect the stigma with ovary. This part is ovary. Okay, now the swollen part at the bottom of the pistil is known as ovary. Okay, and ovary contains tiny egg like structure. बहुत छोटे छोटे से एग की तरह दिखने वाले इसमें कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं जो एग की तरह दिखाई देते हैं, that are known as ovules. Okay, and these ovules contain female reproductive cells. Okay, that are called ova. Okay, so this is the female reproductive part of the flower. Yes, so children, these are the four main parts of the flower: the outermost ring, sepals; second ring, petals; third ring is stamen; and the fourth innermost ring is pistil. Okay, children, look here, I want to show you one hibiscus flower. Okay, let's have a close look. Yesterday, as I told you, flower is attached with this stem with the help of this pedicel, है ना. This green stalk is pedicel, and the uppermost part of the pedicel is swollen, and this part is called receptacle. And see, look here, ये जो फ्लावर है वो किससे अटैच है? रिसेप्टिकल से, है ना. एंड देखो, फर्स्ट रिंग जो है सबसे बाहर की, ये है सेपल्स. दीज आर द पेटल्स, स्टेमन, and this is pistil. Okay, all 4 rings are present here in this flower. So children, the flower which has all 4 rings, that is known as complete flower. Okay, the hibiscus flower is also known as China rose. Okay children, here in China rose, stamen and pistil remains fused, है ना. These are fused together. Okay, look, these stamens, upper swollen tip, है ना, anther yellow in color. It is these pollen grains, because of the pollen grains na, these pollen grains are the yellow or sometime in brown color powder particles are there. Okay, and that is pollens. आपने देखा होगा ना, कभी कभी फ्लावर की जो ये पेटल्स हैं इन पे येलो येलो पाउडर सा गिरा होता है. दैट व्हाट इज दैट? दैट आर दी पॉलन, है ना, pollen grains होते हैं. Okay, so this is a complete flower. So children, we can say if a flower has all the 4 rings, so that is a complete flower. Okay, and if a flower does not have one or more than one part, it is called incomplete flower. Okay, we have many examples of incomplete flower like the papaya. आपने देखा होगा papaya के plant में क्या होता है, किसी किसी में मेल फ्लावर्स होते हैं, किसी में फीमेल फ्लावर्स होते हैं, है ना. मीन्स वी कैन से कुछ फ्लावर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ मेल पार्ट मीन्स स्टेमन होता है. ठीक है, ये पिस्टल क्या होती है? एब्सेंट होती है. बट कुछ फ्लावर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें ये मेल पार्ट्स नहीं होता है, सिर्फ फीमेल पार्ट होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर known as incomplete flower, and we have many examples of incomplete flower like papaya, watermelon, okay, cucumber, so many examples are there. Okay, so this is the structure of a flower, and these male and female reproductive parts are the main organs or main parts of the flower. Okay children, I want to show you all the rings of the flower. देखो, हम रिंग क्यों कहते हैं? जैसे हम रिंग फिंगर में पहनते हैं ना, वैसे ही ये एक रिंग की तरह अटैच होते हैं. ठीक है, लुक, आई वांट टू शो यू, आई वांट टू सेपरेट दिस इज आउटर मोस्ट रिंग. एक्चुअली हमें ये क्लास में करना था, बट nowadays स्कूल इज क्लोज. सी, लुक हियर, है ना, ये सबसे आउटर मोस्ट रिंग है फ्लावर की. ओके, एंड इट इज नोन एज सेपल्स. ओके, एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड रिंग. ओके, कलरफुल पेटल्स, एंड yes, this is the second ring of the flower. Look, I want to separate it and see some sugary liquid is here in my hand, that is called nectar. Okay, और फ्लावर्स क्या करते हैं? अपनी फ्रेगनेंस से और इस स्वीट नेक्टर से इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं फॉर दी पॉलिनेशन. यस, आपने देखा होगा हनी बीज क्या करती हैं, और बर्ड्स को भी देखा होगा सक करते हुए ना फ्लावर्स को, तो वो ये स्वीट जो नेक्टर है उसको सक करते हैं. लुक हियर, this is the second ring, and I want to separate it. This is the second ring of the flower. Here, look, as I told you ना कि हिबिस्कस फ्लावर में क्या होता है, पिस्टल और स्टेमन दोनों फ्यूज हो जाते हैं, है ना. कंबाइंड होते हैं। ये देखो येलो, आपको दिख रहे हैं येलो particles, these are the, this yellow structure is stamen and this long tube like structure is pistil, है ना। ये देखो इसका अपर मोस्ट पार्ट है स्टिग्मा, ये स्टाइल and this is ovary. Okay, and children, the transfer of this pollen grains from anther to stigma of a pistil is called pollination. ठीक है, and in next video I will tell you about pollination. Thank you.